Welcome to Roveel's Sales Dashboards. As part of our series of videos, I'm going to give you a quick 2-minute insight into the sales overview, product and customer dashboards. Once logged in, click on the Sales option from the Sales menu located on the left-hand side of the platform to bring up the dashboards. Looking at the top of the Sales Overview dashboard, we can see 4 key highlight figures which provide an instant insight into what is going on in the business, from the total sales figure to the top category, the top product and the top customer across the chosen period. Just below these highlights, we also have a sales over time graph, which details the current year versus the previous year on a monthly basis. Moving on down the page, we see Roveel's selection of bar charts that split down the sales figures by customers, product categories, and individual products. Looking at the 3 columns of charts, the platform has identified and sorted these categories by total and also increasing and decreasing sales in the dataset. This level of insight is vital to understanding the performance of sales within the business and is not available within Sage. We can also instantly drill into the numbers, crucially understanding which customers have increased and decreased, which product categories have had movements, and which are the top and worst performing products within that month. The interactive graphs enable us to instantly pinpoint the components of any variance, quickly and easily finding the answers to those all-important sales questions for more effective decision-making. For a deeper dive into the data, we can also split down a customer. To refine our data search, we can also use the platform's versatile filters feature to view a particular group of customers, products, or one of Sage's customer or products analysis fields. For more information on Roveel's reporting dashboards, take a look at our selection of education and dashboard videos.